Welding low alloy steel greater than 3 mm, you can use mode 2. Connect the wire with a clamp to the metal. Put on protective tip. Start torch. Set the position of mode 2 to 4. We recommend setting the mode 1 indicator to position 2. Maintain voltage of about 170 volt. Fasten the welding wire in filler holder. Welding wire thickness should be similar to the thickness of the material to be welded. Put on welder's helmet and gloves. For switching into mode 2 and increase welding intensity, bring the torch to the metal so that the arc is connected to it. Keep the arc so that the edges of joint are always molten and the arc does not burn through. If during work the torch accidentally quits, press and gently release the start button repeatedly within 5 seconds to restore. Keep the distance between the nozzle and joint from 3 to 4 millimeters. Increase this distance and the arc length for welding more than 6 millimeters. If working in mode 1 is similar to gas welding, working in mode 2 is similar to argon arc welding. If you remove the nozzle from the metal and increase the arc length, the heat becomes more intensive. In the case of arc interruption, bring the torch closer to the joint to restore it. To turn off mode 2, press the right button to decrease current until the mode 2 indicator shuts off. Be sure the nozzle didn't accumulate sparks. Clean it with metal brush.